Welcome to all. My name is Madhuri Kakade. This session for MBA first year, semester 2nd. The subject name is Startup New Venture Management. This subject course code is 209. Today we will learn unit first. The unit name is Being an Entrepreneur. Contents of this session: first, what is an entrepreneur? Second, concept of entrepreneur. Third, examples of entrepreneur. Fourth, concept of entrepreneurship. Fifth, characteristics of a successful entrepreneur. What is in an entrepreneur? Everyone seems to be talking about entrepreneurship these days. But what exactly is an entrepreneur? The Merriam-Webster dictionary defines an entrepreneur is someone who organizes, manages, and assumes the risk of the businesses or enterprise. Entrepreneurs are change agents. They see need, wants, and problems as challenges to be overcome, and they know that are the people who can help to find solutions and meet needs. Entrepreneurs know that they have unique skills and talents that can make a difference in the world. They know that they can use their skills and talents to meet needs, do something in a new way, add beauty or solve problems. Entrepreneurs have a vision for what they can contribute to the world and are willing to do the work required to plan and launch a business or social enterprise to achieve that. When they are rich, goal entrepreneurs create job for themselves and sometimes even for other people. Sometimes entrepreneurs even change the world. A week can be entrepreneurs. Yes, youth. Entrepreneurs often manage businesses while they go to school working other jobs, volunteering and taking other activity. In fact, Industry Canada has said businesses owned by youth are more likely to be high growth and are financially viable. Who are today's youth entrepreneurs? They are students, innovators, leaders, builders, problem solvers, and dreamers. They are bringing their art and design to the world, solving healthcare and environmental problems, creating jobs for themselves and others, and help to make the world a better place. Concept of entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is a starter, initiator, a challenger, and a driver. Someone that creates something new, either an initiative, a business, or a company. He or she is the beginning of a venture, project, or activity. A person who makes money by starting and running businesses, especially when this involves taking financial risk. One who organizes, manages, and assumes the risk of a business or enterprise. Definition of entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is a person who starts a new business and usually risks his own money to start the venture. There are successful entrepreneur examples. Dhirubhai Ambani is founder of Reliance. Ratan Tata is organizer of Tata Group. Narayan Murthy is creator of Infosys. Azim Premji is initiator of Wipro. Anand Premji is founder father of Mahindra Group. Next topic is an entrepreneurship. What is in an entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is essentially a creative activity or it is an innovation function. The process of innovation may be in the form of first, introduction of a new product, second, use of a new method of production, third, opening of a new market, fourth, the conquest of new source of supplying raw materials, fifth, Form of organization. Definition of entrepreneurship. An entrepreneur is someone who organizes, manages, and assumes the risk of a business or enterprise. Next part is characteristics of successful entrepreneur. First, creativity. Creativity gives birth to something new, for without creativity, there is no innovation possible. Creativity helps is coming up with new solution for the problems at hand and allow one to think of solutions that are out of the box. Entrepreneurs develop new ideas, new concepts, and new way of solving problems. Next characteristics is innovation. Innovative to generate new ideas, start a company, and earn profit out of it. Change can be launching of a new product that is new to the market or a process that does the something but more efficient and economical way. Innovation introduces change. Innovation is observed when a new idea is converted into a successful product. Third characteristics is flexibility and multi-skilled. Entrepreneurs have to carry out different tasks in different areas like human resource, accounts, promotion, etc. An entrepreneur should be flexible and open to change according to the situation. To be on top, a business person should be equipped and embrace change to a product and services as and when needed. Ability to take risks. This is the fourth and foremost trait of entrepreneurship. Starting any business involves a considerable amount of risk, failure. Therefore, the courage and capacity to take said risk are essential of an entrepreneur. Fifth characteristics is passion. Successful entrepreneurs are passionate. They feel deeply about their product or service or mission. Passion is what will help you find motivation when you are discouraged, and it will drive you forward. Passion is fuel for successful entrepreneurship. Decision making. How to take decision. There are 6 sentences you can help for taking decision. First, identifying the problem. Second, gathering the data about the problem. Third, analyzing the data. Fourth, formulating alternative solutions. Fifth, selecting the best solution. And sixth, implementing the solution.